While most founders will show you their finished product, I'm actually going to take you through the trenches as I build an AI company from scratch from my home. Most founders will show you the success, and I'm here to show you the mess and everything else that it takes to actually build something. You'll notice the trend of everyone chasing cloud AI. I think this is the complete opposite direction to go, which is why I'm building mine local first and data sovereign, so that all of your information stays in-house and is completely owned by you. I'm solving the problems that I had whenever I started my first two businesses. This is my third, and all of the lessons learned from my prior two are going to be on display here. I am a father of three, and as I said, this is my third business, so you'll see everything that it actually takes to build something from scratch as a solopreneur to start, but as I hire, I'll take you along that journey as well. So, hi, my name is Kyle Vines, and I am the founder and architect of echology.io. That is echology.io. Echology is a local first AI company that I am building from scratch. There are no investors, no back-end team, just me building at night or as I have availability to do so. And I am documenting this entire journey here. Actually, I'm documenting it from here. So this is where I get most of the work done. So from here, you'll see all of the tools that I use to build this company, Echology. So that includes different AI platforms like Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, as well as Ollama, which is my local first AI that I'm actually using within my development environment. You'll also see the tools that I use to stay organized, which would be mostly Notion right now, and I'll provide you with templates that I use. Other tools that I use like Proton helps me to keep the environment completely secure and encrypted, and that is the cornerstone of what I'm building here. I envision AI that allows ownership of data to stay with the firm that generated the data and doesn't have to reach out with an API to one of these big cloud-based providers. So even though I'm using some of those cloud-based providers to build the bones of this, I'm actually building something that will outpace it. I'll continue to use the AI that is open source, that is the most robust for my use case. But I also mean to give ownership back to individuals and to companies. The other thing is to make sure that it is compliance ready out of the box. I work in engineering for my day job, and this is huge. The first use case for echology was actually a medical whistleblower case where I had it process multiple documents and provide a narrative of the wrongs that were being done at this medical facility and to provide the legal remedies within a particular jurisdiction that were appropriate for the malpractice that was happening. That was my first use case, and as you can see, security is absolutely fundamental, and that's the foundation of everything that I'm doing here at Echology and in my development environment. Along with tools, tips, and tricks, you'll also just see the day-to-day grind of what it takes to build a company from scratch, from your house. As I grow, you'll grow with me. That is the hope. And along the way, I'll just give you all of the best of what I've learned over, a decade of being an entrepreneur, and then this being my third business. So now let's visit my workspace. From here, you're actually going to see everything that I build and all of the tools that I use to do so. So if that sounds interesting to you, please like and subscribe and follow along at Kyle Vines on Instagram and at echology, echology.io on everything else. From here, you're actually going to see all of the tools that I use to build this thing, which does include this entire task list here. But we'll get into that later. I'm going to show you behind the scenes of every single thing that I do here at echology.io. So if that sounds interesting to you, or if you are looking for tools, tips, and tricks for building your own business or motivation to do so, please like and subscribe and follow along as I build this thing from scratch. All right. Love you, beautiful people.